Okay, time to take a look at the Timber Ridge Oversized Folding Chair. Looks like they gave us a nice big cover for it. All right, and we got a foam protector for the feet. So definitely a heavy-duty looking frame. Even has articulating feet on the bottom. That's kind of surprising. So that is a big Hawken chair. This is the blue version, so it is a darker blue. It's actually got some cushion in the material, which is something you definitely don't normally see in folding chairs. We got a bag on the side. It's a cushion bag. It almost looks like it's insulated, so you could probably put some sodas or whatever in there and you don't have to worry about it getting cold. And a couple small pouches. We have a breathable net pouch here, and then just a regular pouch right there. So that is surprisingly nice. I think the biggest thing about it is just how wide it is. So we're looking at about 25.5 inches wide, which is crazy wide for a folding chair. And it's pretty darn light too. Oh yeah, that thing is surprisingly nice. And plus, I've got stuff in my pockets and it's not even getting in the way with that. So yeah, if you're a big dude, like this is the correct chair. I am noticing I'm sliding forward a little bit, but it is pretty darn comfortable. I could definitely see myself lounging in this guy. That is cool. So I am 400 pounds. This is rated for 500 pounds. I don't feel any flex in here. This feels like a super solid chair, which is something that's pretty surprising for a folding chair for me. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. This is very nice.